Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. There arose a question within the apostles during the Last Supper. What would Jesus mean by saying, "A little while and you will no longer see me, and again a little while later and you will see me"? Kaunting panahon na lamang at hindi na ninyo ako makikita. Kaunting panahon na lamang at makikita na ninyo muli ako. And the Lord answered them not by really saying what He meant by little while, but promising them, "You will grieve while the world rejoices, but your sorrow will turn into joy." A little while, kaunti na lamang. When we were kids, we used to hear our parents telling us, kaunti na lamang, maluluto na yung iyong baon o yung ating lunch. Or we often hear this from people, "In a little while, I will be there." Or when we wish to point out a goal, kaunti na lamang, successful na ako. Kaunti na lamang, doktor na ako, business owner na ako, malaya na ako, so on and so forth. In our a little while experiences, we look forward into something at marahil kinasasabikan din po natin ito. In a little while for the Lord, my dear brothers and sisters, would not really mean little. That would mean an immediate time, or it can happen in just one blink of an eye. A little while can be longer. It can take years. It can take moments. It can take most of our time and maybe out of our normal understanding or normal time frame. Pero kahit hindi man agad, hindi man mabilisan, hindi man biglaan, o hindi maikli, isa po ang panatag tayo. Dadating tayo doon, mangyayari iyon, magiging totoo iyon. A little while, though after the death of the Lord, the apostles were once again consoled with His presence. Marahil matagal man, ilang araw man yung kanilang hinintay, ang importante, dumating at nangyari ang mga bagay na iyon. Dearest brothers and sisters, the same goes with us when the Lord wishes to remind us of in a little while experiences of our life. Hindi man mabilisan, agaran, o onti, ang importante, mangyayari iyon. In a little while means possibility and not impossibility. Maybe we say to ourselves, in a little while, I will be well. In a little while, we will succeed. In a little while, we will be blessed. The Lord consoles us with these words. We will face in a little while moments. It may not be today or tomorrow, but surely it will happen. It will be true.